Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This is Fantastic Art and today we're gonna be drawing the one and only Obanai Iguro from Demon Slayer, aka the Serpent Hashira. And I gotta be honest guys, I'm not happy about drawing this drawing simply because snakes are my phobia and I don't like drawing snakes, but anything to please y'all. As you can see, I had to start with the face because the face is important. And as you can see guys, I'm drawing using pencil, which I don't usually do, but I'm out of my acrylic paint, so I had to resort to pencil rather than just waiting until I buy new materials. But yeah, this drawing was a handful, so from time to time I had to go to the gym and work out. Yeah, because it helps me relax and refresh my brain and have more energy to basically draw this drawing, which is a very complicated drawing to do with pencil. But yeah, um I had to go to the gym, but let's get back to the drawing. So I was using only two pencils. I'm using my mechanical pencil and my HB 8 pencil. Oh yeah, three actually, and I was using my charcoal pencil. Those are the only three things that I was using, and they are almost at the end of their life expectancy. You can see how short these pencils are. It's like the last of my equipment. But yeah, the drawing came out fine, as you can see the result right now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, comment which anime I should do next. Bye.